All right, guys, my clients are coming in. Let's get their response. Come on in, Ms. Hill.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Go ahead and take a look at it. You like that semi-gloss? Yep. Not too shiny. Got a nice sheen to it. And one thing I was showing Facebook on our YouTube too, when you walk here, because you got more light up here, see when you walk here. So that's how I always explain to my clients, depending on the layout of the house, whether there's a lot of more reflection, it's going to be more, you're going to see that sheen more. Yeah. Yep, well, it came out really good. Thank you. Also too, I'm gonna show you what to use to clean the floors. Okay. I did notice some residue on the floor, like some type of, maybe like somebody might have put like a little polish on the floor at one time.
Yeah, we use that bonita.
That's what it was. That's why it was really, especially in that kitchen area, you can see that outline. So I saw where you went around. Okay. So we had to clean that up real good, then screen it. So I'll show you what to use on your floors.
You got the bathroom?
Yeah, we got the bathroom. All right, guys, clients are happy. They like the semi. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Thursday. Today is April the 9th. We are out here in Snellville, Georgia. This is one of my clients that used to use me when I used to clean carpets. And Miss Hill, she follows me on Facebook, so she sees all my work. We were just talking about the job that I did in Hilton Head, but she watches all my videos, and she said, Courtney, well, if we decide to ever get the floors done, we know who to call. So I came out here, did an in-home consultation last week. They booked on the spot, 843 square feet of wood floors. Floors in great condition. They just need some good protection back on them. That's what the screen and recoat does. And then also we're going to do their stairs, the staircase 13 stairs. Shout out to Christian. He's the guy that I recommend to move the furniture. He came out and moved the furniture this morning. Also, when they did a consultation this morning in Houston, they got their house on the market. And just like the job I did yesterday, guys, they had a company come out. They put oil base on the floor. They did not let them know that it takes up to 30 days to cure, and they see all the dog scratches already in the floor because the company used oil base. And again, oil base can take up to 30 days to cure. So if you have dogs and heavy furniture, that floor is not cured, it will scratch easy. So he said, Courtney, they actually came out twice, and we just decided not to have them come back. So they are going to have me go out, screen, recoat, and do the UV cure, so the floors are instantly cured. All right, so they won't have those worries. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going on this beautiful Thursday. All right, guys, so we are in Snellville, Georgia. Okay, we are working on our side of the town today. Sometimes, man, that city, the Atlanta, it is work, just the traffic itself. So we will be close to the city tomorrow because we have one tomorrow in Roswell and another one in Atlanta, South Fulton. And then Saturday, I got one in Athens, and then I got another one I got to do in Midtown Saturday afternoon that was recommended to me by a client that I did 3 weeks ago. So these are the floors that we're doing, guys. Got some white oak, red oak, beautiful floor, natural. These floors are not stained, and I love the natural look of these floors. So as you guys see, the floors just really need some nice TLC. If you look really close, you probably can't see it on the, but you just see it's just now wear. Coming back different. It's really just the finish is starting to wear off. And again, guys, remember, this is normal. A lot of people think once they get their floors done, they don't have to know. Finish wears off. Depending on the finish, you can expect anywhere 5-7 years. Also, depending on the traffic of the house. This is a very low traffic home. It's just Mr. and Mrs. Hill. So the less foot traffic you have, the less it's going to wear off. But I have clients that use me every 2 to 3 years because they got 3-4 kids, they got 3-4 dogs, and it's going to wear faster. So these are the floors that we're going to be doing, guys. Mr. and Mrs. Hill is about to leave us to it. Told us just call when we're done. And then also these
When that
stairs.
finish
And these are also
start to
natural
fall,
as
I don't
well.
sand it,
But I
I
have some bars to do the
restore.
stairs while I'm doing the floors. All right, guys,
Now
we're
them
going to get
floors
started,
look
and then Christian will come
brand
back
new,
this afternoon,
y'all.
put the furniture back. What we do when we have like loose wires, we just get some blue
Same day
tape,
back,
tape them up on the walls.
live your life.
All right, guys.
No dust, no mess. That's the move, yeah. She already knew. From floor was still decent, just needed that protection. Fresh new wear layer, that professional correction. Light abrasion pass, gave it that grip. Now that coat lay smooth, no bubbles, no slip. Then I hit it with the UV, yeah, that instant cure glow. Dogs furniture, same day, that's the Truman flow. Client smiling, saying, man, I love what you do. I just nodded back like, yeah, you already knew. She already knew who to call. When that finish start to fall, I don't sand it, I restore. Now them floors look brand new, y'all. UV light, hit it right. Same day back, live your life. No dust, no mess. That's the move, yeah. She already knew. Snellville, Georgia. Repeat clients. That's what we build. Trust. Consistency. Results. Truman. We don't guess. We show up and deliver.
All right, guys, that is going to do it. Tavares is doing the last touchdown of the UV. Floors are nice and smooth. Got that nice scratch resistant rag coat on top. And floors look really good, man. The client went with a semi-gloss. Now, if you look here, guys, let me show you. If you look here, it's a little darker because they're in the back of the house. So a lot of trees back here. And it's one thing I teach my clients too. Like I always tell people, do your research. So I'm not making this stuff up. But when you have a darker part of the house, that's why I always say, I could put a gloss finish. I could put a gloss finish in a floor like a basement, or there's really no light or reflection, and it won't look like gloss. But you can still see, now you can't tell by looking at the light reflection. Okay. Then you walk over here, see the light reflection kind of coming through. So that's where you can really see the gloss, because all it is a reflection. Now let's say if we went with matte, it would not look like that, okay? But over here, when we get to the front of the house, look at the difference. Look at that. See how it looks super shiny? Because they have a lot of light coming in the front of the house. But this floor looks beautiful. All right. I had missed a spot right here, and sometimes it's really hard to see on these lighter floors, so we just did a little touch up there. And that's gonna do it, guys. So anyway, we're done. Tomorrow we have 2. Saturday we have 2. I had 2 Monday. She just called me, and also we did the stairs as well. She just called me to say that the painter is not going to be done on time on Monday. She's putting her house on the market and it's empty. It was her parents' house. And we're just going to clean it. She got some residue on the floor. Just going to clean it, remove the residue. But we were scheduled for Tuesday, which is good because I got one Tuesday, but it's till late afternoon. So I told her we can be out here between noon and 1 on Tuesday after I do my consultation in Brazelton. But anyway, guys, just one thing about painters, man. Painters are never done when they say they're going to be done. But anyway, guys, the floors, we're done. I'm going to call Christian, the furniture moving guys, to let them know they can come on back, put the furniture back. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. That's beautiful. But you see the difference, guys? See how you can really see that sheen level right here, up in here. But then when you walk back here, it kind of dims down. That's the reflection from the light. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. Oh, also too, they had some deep scratches. Deep scratches do not come out with screen or recoat, like something was dragged there because you can see a pattern. Now, if the floors were stained, we could have did like a color correction, but these floors are natural. And also a scratch right here as well. All right, guys. See you in the next one.